Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app and it doesn't really matter on which mode we will be. Just tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings and tap on OK. As you can see, the camera flashed a little bit, and after getting back to the camera itself, we can see that our camera is welcoming us. So this is the information you will see when you are opening the camera for the very first time after turning on your device. So we've got the evidence that we just reset totally everything. Again, the permission to access to the location, and here select the style. So this is again the thing which you are doing when you're opening the camera for the very first time after purchasing the device. So you have to pick whatever. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings, camera preferences in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.